In today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products using free, high-quality traffic. I've been using this method and it works like a dream. Before I go further, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell that you do not miss out on the series of affiliate marketing videos from me. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide advice and content to help you grow your online business. I want to share with you my experience and results and hope that I can help you to create a successful online business. Promoting and marketing Clickbank products is considered one of the easiest and most convenient ways to make money online. After you logged in, you need to go to the marketplace. In this area, you can find all the products to market and promote. I have chosen a product from the health and fitness niche, which I will use as an example today using 100% free, high-quality traffic on Facebook. Now we have to get the hop link. This is the link that Clickbank supply you when you want to promote their product. Once you have the hop link for the product, this is where we will start with our promotion, but not in an illegal way. We will go to the sales page of the product we've chosen on Clickbank. So how we are going to promote this product using Facebook traffic. First, we have to prepare our advertising materials. You will actually go to Google Docs and insert the sales page of the product in Google Docs. This is the sales page that we are going to insert in Google Docs. On Google Docs, hit the blank document and go to the Clickbank Marketplace. Click on the product sales page. Screenshot the landing page and post it to your Google Docs. Make this look like a real landing page with a call to action. Now you will insert your Clickbank hop link to the image itself and also to the call to action section where you ask them to click here. If somebody clicks on the call to action or the image, it directly links them back to the Clickbank sales page. You will click share on the top of the Google Docs. Now Google Docs will give you a link to use, but before you save this and make sure people can only view the link and not make any changes to the link you will be using. Now you can hit save and you will have the shareable link from Google Docs which you can use in any advertisement. And this is the Google Doc link that you will now use for any advertisement. So how are we going to promote this product using Facebook traffic? What I'm doing is to look at Facebook groups with the goal of being healthy and eating healthy foods, and they must be focusing on weight loss and fitness. I usually go to Facebook groups related to my niche, as the audience there already are looking for products to solve their problems. The audience on the groups are also more open to look at the product you advertise, and they will buy it if you give them value that will solve their problem. I found this type of advertising is more focused on the problem, and I also have the right product in front of the right audience. You also reach much more people in the group with already a focus on your niche and what you're having to offer. I'm part of the Keto Diet group, and here I have 6 members that will see the product when I advertise in this group. I'm part of a group. They have 2 million likes and views. In membership is also in the millions. So I am also reaching more people that are already in my niche and looking for products to solve their problems. I found that this works much better than just adding it to Facebook page. Most people will not even open the advert on Facebook. I am still not scamming the group with Google Doc links. I just add valuable content, info. This is what I write in the Google groups. So I never just put links in or the Google Doc link. I can mention to them, I came across amazing keto diet to follow. If you like me to give you access to this, just comment below details and I will inbox you the access detail. And then you will send them the Google Doc link and not the hop link from Clickbank. This is how I distribute my Google Doc link, and I don't scam any group. Please note, people that succeed focus on how they will feel at the end of the process. Never sell anything to your audience if you are not prepared to use it yourself. Make sure that we give value to our clients and our audience. Make sure what you sell to them is valuable. For the forthcoming videos, I still have 2 videos that will be out soon about products, how to choose your products, and the profit automation for affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the other side of the screen.